Hello gorgeous, welcome to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Thanks for stopping by, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Welcome back. Sit and enjoy. So today's video is all about twist out and a fussy hair. Oh yeah, we need to massage that scalp because it's been a while. I washed my hair 4 days ago and I put it up in this bun. I put a puff and I've been wearing it out like that. So for this twist out, you want to make sure your hair is freshly washed. You don't want to do it on like dainty hair or like a hair filled product. I only have a leave-in conditioner on my hair and just a little bit. So I'm starting with sectioning out my hair to make sure that I will have ease while trying to do the twist. And also make sure your hair is properly detangled. So mine is detangled because I washed it detangled and put it up in that position. But I'm also still going to detangle the hair properly because you want to make sure your hair is fully detangled. So when you're separating the twists for the twist out, you wouldn't be having any problems and causing more frizz. So I'm going now to take the particular part I want to work on. So I'm actually doing this in like a bigger section. You can go smaller or bigger depending on what you want. So since this was my first time, I just wanted to go in like a medium big section. So I'm using Cantu product, the Cantu coconut coiling cream, and I'll be combining it with Truth by Tazala defining foaming lotion. This is a Nigerian brand, and actually this is like my first time actually trying to use it for something like this. I'm sorry that this part of the video is out of focus, so I'm just showing you the amount of coiling cream I took. Then I will apply that on the portion of hair I'm working on, and I will massage it in and make sure that everything is like blended in. As you can see, my hair is no longer white. You're no longer seeing the white like residue of the product. And I'll be going in with my foaming lotion. I took like 3 pumps for this particular section of the hair, and I'll be taking it and working it into that portion of my hair because you want to make sure like each strand gets that product to make sure the definition comes out nice. After working the foaming lotion into my hair, I will now go ahead to twist that portion of my hair. As you can see, I made sure that I divided it into 2 equal parts because you don't want to have a situation whereby at the end of the hair you need to borrow hair from another strand, because you might forget about that when taking down the twist and it might cause some tangles or much more frizz. So I just twisted it tightly and I'm sewing the end. It's a little bit out of frame, but if you look where you see that. So I'm going to show you with another part of the hair so that you can follow along. This part is a little bit sped up. So the same thing, detangle your hair properly, make sure everything is detangled. Then go in with the coiling cream. Even after I've gone in with the coiling cream, I still detangle again while blending. So once that is done, I will go in with my hair mousse, my styling foam. You can see how my fingers pass through that hair. That's to tell you it is very much detangled. And as you can see, I was detangling with my fingers to kind of help my hair with breakage and everything. So here, putting in the mousse, and then the next thing we will twist it. So we are now done with the entire twist. I have like 12 twists on my hair, 6 at the back and 6 at the front. So I was actually still stepping out that day, so I had to like take a band and pack my hair a little bit. But as you can see, I packed it loosely. That's why I was just trying to attach the ones at the front into the ones at the back. And I took a silk scarf and covered my hair. You want to make sure you take a silk scarf and cover your hair to trap in that moisture. So it's been like more than a day since I put in this twist out. I did that like afternoon of Sunday around 2:30, and this is past 7 on Tuesday. So we'll be unraveling the twists now. Oh god, I hope this comes out nice, like, because I'm going to work right now. So you just take some oil and put on your hand to help with the frizz and also give your hair some shine. So I'm using coconut oil for that. just at the tip of my hand, and then like you start to unravel. So I'll be starting with the back. Let's unravel all before we start to separate the coils. So now we're on to the main work. Let's start to separate the coils. I packed it in order not to make to be confused of what I'm doing. This one didn't do. So as you can see, I'm just separating it where my hair just wants to separate. This will help reduce frizz and keep the definition in. You can see this is the final outcome. It's still new to me, but I'm liking it, but not so much because now, like when you do all these natural hairstyles, you want your hair to be very big. But mine is scanty and my hair shrinks, so this is what I can get, and I'm okay with it. But I'm a little bit nervous, like stepping into work. I don't know how people will be looking at me, so that's that. But I think my hair did well for the twist out, even though it's kind of frizzy and not so much defined. So the next time I'll be doing it, I'll make sure my hair is like wet so that the colors will be much more defined. Like this front part is much more defined and I love it. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you will try it out, and make sure to like, comment and subscribe down below to join the family. Love you all. Bye. So this is the end of the first day. This thing is not funny. Like, I'm annoyed and frustrated. This is the end of the first day of carrying out this twist out, and my hair is already so frizzy. And this is why sometimes if I know how to carry a certain hairstyle, I don't like to moisturize my hair, because once my hair is moisturized, it shrinks so much. Like, what is this? Look at, just see. I look so funny. So it has shrink. Not just that it shrinks, the defined curls that were even showing, at least one have my forehead, like within 1 hour of stepping out, it become missing. Because I use public transport, the wind gets so heavy on you. It's at a point, I'm going to put a picture. At a point when I was coming back, my hair was like this because of the breeze. I had to even use my hand like to be like this again. But oh God, I'm fed up. Yeah, I got compliments really nice and I'm happy. Can still rock it like this tomorrow, but I'm still considering it. I really want this to come down. I don't know if tomorrow morning maybe I should use a blow dryer to stretch the roots of my hair, but will it work? And do I have time? I have to be at work by 8:30. Yeah, I went late today because of this. So I need to figure out what I'm doing. But I'm just showing you what it looks like right now. It's night. It's 9. I think it's 9 right now. I'm about to go to bed. Have a bath to go to bed. I'm so tired. So to sleep. At least I know I got this from what's her name? Shion Okimi. This is how she did hers. She took a silk scarf and tied her hair loosely. So I'll do that, but I don't trust this. I feel like it's going to go to Jamaica while I'm in London while I'm sleeping.
I'm not in London, I'm in Nigeria. But like, well, I have a sick pillow, but like with my hair, what I know about my hair, the more I lay down, the more it pushes in, and as it's moisturized, just making it stretch will be hard. But let me try tomorrow and see. If it tries to frustrate me too much, I'll just put it up in the door. So I think to bath, I'll do it like this and have a shower. Exactly. Yeah. So now it's the morning of the second day. So the struggle. Well, let's see. Oh wow, my hair is all crumped together. So I'll just start to puff it up. What do you think of? How do you see it like this? It's okay, but oh, I'm tired. Let's just do this one as yesterday. So I'll be taking a bobby pin to kind of pin it into place because I can see that here is not going to lie down again. So this is how I'll be taking it out today. I'm done styling the hair. Yeah. So today is day three of this twist out or just frizzy hair. Wow, my whole hair slept. This one it slept. So today I'm trying to see if I'll be able to pull off a side pattern. I don't really know how I'm feeling right now with this. I'm considering putting it in a bun. Like I'm this close to putting my hair in a bun, in a pop. But let me see. Let me go and look at the bigger mirror and see what the vibe I'm getting. Like I don't even know where I'm getting the confidence from the way my natural hair shrunken like this. I've done it before when my hair was still small at once. But like I don't know. Like in the corporate world, going through the journey I go through before getting to work, a lot of people just be staring, staring, staring because for sure that's Nigeria. They'll be wondering, is it your hair? Is it not your hair? So I figured out I'll be wearing it like this today. Oh god, my natural hair be giving me a different vibe and making my face look different from what I know it to be. Like, but I'm here for it. I look much more senior, I think, with my natural hair, with this hair right now. But yeah, we're wearing it out like this for the third day. So yeah. Okay. Okay, so today is day four. And yeah, my hair is something else, so exactly. God have mercy. Jesus is Lord. Ah, God, not my finger. Wow. See, just stretch, Let me be able to pack you up. So today I'm putting my hair in a puff, but the way my hair is so shrunken right now, seems like this puff is going to be so low, and I just don't know. It's been long I wore a puff, so let's see. Let's I need to gel it. Let me do it from the front.
Got drunk off your love, and I lost myself again. You hit it just like a drug. This time I won't let you in. You're playing with fire. No, I've been on the break, but this time I won't collapse like I did yesterday.
Maybe
You
this
broke
one
my
is.
heart once again. I won't buy the dust in return. I can't give it, I can't give it, I won't give it this time. You broke my heart once again. With your breath and you bad it for me. I can't give it,
So yeah, this is how I'm taking it out today,
I'm falling
and yeah, I'm done. See this
apart.
look.
I forgot what the day.
I think I like this one more because it's nice to have your hair puff and have like your hair kind of curly, defined. And see my fussy hair. See them springs. Mm. This is giving me joy. Wait, the one that if I laugh, I don't know which other one you're saying. Hey, should I pull out here? No, no. I don't want to pull out. Okay, but I'm tempted to gel my front hair. Should I? Should I do edges?
No.
That's the boo. Let me record this.